Well, hey guys, welcome to Quinn's Tree Farm, coming at you through YouTube, direct from Cornville, Maine. Really looking forward to today's video. We're getting back to the John Deere 1025R subcompact tractor. We had a little bit of a mishap. Actually, Dad had a little bit of a mishap. We got to fix it. So if you notice over here, that's not really supposed to be like that. And one thing about these tractors, what I've heard from other people are they're notorious for having their lights knocked off. They do make protectors. I don't have them, clearly, and we gotta fix it. We'll go through the steps on fixing this. So let's get to work. Okay, so I haven't even opened this. Maybe the quickest project ever if we get the wrong part. So we'll unbox it and see what we get in the box. Alright, so let's see. Okay, box within a box. LVA 18273. Well, yeah, that's about it. So that's going to go right there. 13 millimeter bolt. And where that was broken off, I just grabbed some pliers to try to hold that other side. Get those. I'm going to do this a little bit differently than what I've seen other people do it with. Call me lazy, or you can call me smart, or you can call me whatever you want. I don't care. But what I've seen others do is right off the bat, they go down through the ROPS and they run all new wire down. And I've come to a conclusion. I've seen enough of these get broken that I have a feeling that it could easily be done again. So I am just going to wire, using the existing wire right there, we're going to wire up a new set. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire up another set, a wire up here. I'm going to cut the wires off, use those existing, and then go ahead and go from there. My biggest fear there, I'm a little nervous I'm going to lose that down the tube, so I want to be a little bit extra careful. I'm going to try to get that right off the bat. So I got me my... That one's trouble. All right, there we go. So I'm just gonna get this one out of the way first. So all I'm doing is I take my pair of wire strippers there. I like having the nice ones. And then I'm gonna take and crimp a new section on. And then if I break these again, just go right here, unhook them, and get a new. There. And then we'll just do the same thing on the light fixture. let's hook them up. Let's see. Now, I don't want my lights to go wonky, so I'm gonna hook them up to the same color that they were. Gray to gray, green to green. I don't like that so short, like it. Oh, good. All right, black to black. Come on. Now, before I put it all in, there we go. So I got blank. I got pocket lights. And my foot over there. And I got brake lights. Well, yay! Okay. Well, that seems to be a success. See if we can't tuck those all back in there. Perfect. Now you notice there's 4 screw holes on this, and there's only 2 bolts here, so I'm assuming these lights are used for many a different tractor. So I'm just gonna put that back in. Just like that. So there's a quick tutorial on how I would fix, or how I did fix, my tractor, my broken tractor lights. You can get this part at Green Parts Store online. It takes a 13mm socket set, and then for me, I just got this wire stripper and crimper set at the Tractor Supply Company store, and because I was having a hard time with that black one, I went downstairs and got El Cheapo, which has the crimper on the front. If you enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button down below and leave a comment. Tell me if you have had any issues with these lights on this John Deere tractor, and tell me how you fixed it. As I've said in previous videos, there's like 5,000 different ways to do one task, and I think as long as you get it done and you're happy, then that's the way to go. Now that I got my lights fixed, I really would rather feel bad in Maine than feel good anywhere else. So there you go, my friends. I'll see you soon.